So many homes have factory built or open pit fireplaces that were meant back in years and years ago to build a nice fireplace. Some of them have doors across them to add to the ambiance. Any of those, if it's a factory built fireplace with a masonry or tile lined chimney, we can put a fireplace insert into. The brands that we are currently offering are Continental, which is a subsidiary of Napoleon for fireplaces. And we're installing Kingsman. And Kingsman's been a company that's been around for many, many, many years. They offer a full variety of fireplace inserts, fireplaces, and stoves. Give us a call and we can direct you. We can bring you samples, identify where to go online to look to see what you would like to have.